Have you ever imagined owning a fully equipped camper RV from Japan for around just $50,000? At first, that might sound impossible, especially when many luxury motorhomes cost well over $150,000. But today, we're looking at a Japanese camper RV that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy life on the road. Packed with smart features, incredible space-saving ideas, and legendary Japanese engineering, this RV could be one of the best values on the market. From the outside, this camper has a clean and modern design. It's compact enough to drive comfortably through busy city streets and narrow mountain roads, yet it still has everything you need for long adventures. Unlike many oversized RVs that can be difficult to park, this Japanese camper offers the perfect balance between convenience and comfort. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how every inch has been carefully designed. Japanese engineers are known for making the most of limited space, and this camper is no exception. The bright interior, clever storage compartments, and multi-purpose furniture create an open feeling that's surprisingly spacious. The seating area is comfortable enough for relaxing after a long drive. During the day, it's the perfect place to enjoy a meal or plan your next destination. When night falls, it transforms into a cozy sleeping area in just a few simple steps. It's amazing how quickly the layout changes without feeling cramped. The kitchen is another highlight. Even though it's compact, it includes everything you need to prepare meals on the road. You'll find a sink, stove, refrigerator, and plenty of storage for cooking essentials. Whether you're making a quick breakfast before hitting the road or preparing dinner at a scenic campsite, this kitchen is ready for the job. One feature that really stands out is the efficient use of technology. Many Japanese camper RVs come equipped with LED lighting, energy-saving appliances, modern control panels, and optional solar charging systems. These features help extend your camping adventures while reducing power consumption. Let's talk about comfort. The sleeping area provides enough room for 2 adults, with soft mattresses and smart ventilation to keep the cabin comfortable in different weather conditions. Large windows allow natural light to flood the interior during the day while giving you beautiful views of nature wherever you park. Storage is another area where this camper shines. Cabinets, hidden compartments, overhead shelves, and under-seat storage make it easy to organize clothes, camping gear, and travel supplies. Everything has its place, helping keep the interior neat and clutter-free. Now let's discuss performance. Japanese vehicles have built a worldwide reputation for reliability, and this camper continues that tradition. The fuel-efficient engine helps reduce travel costs while delivering dependable performance on highways and country roads. Maintenance is generally straightforward, making it an attractive option for both first-time RV owners and experienced travelers. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. Many models include advanced braking systems, multiple airbags, stability control, rear-view cameras, parking sensors, and driver assistance technologies that make every journey more relaxing and secure. Considering everything this camper offers, the price becomes even more impressive. For around $50,000, you're getting a comfortable mobile home, reliable transportation, and the freedom to travel wherever you want without constantly paying for hotels. It's an investment in experiences rather than just another vehicle. Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake, enjoying breakfast with mountain views, or parking near a beautiful beach without worrying about expensive accommodations. That's the lifestyle this Japanese camper RV makes possible. Weekend getaways become easier, road trips become more exciting, and every journey turns into an unforgettable adventure. While it may not be the biggest RV on the market, it proves that smart design often beats sheer size. Every feature has been carefully planned to maximize comfort, practicality, and efficiency. That's exactly why Japanese camper RVs continue to impress travelers around the world. So, would you choose this incredible $50,000 Japanese camper RV for your next adventure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing home on wheels, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next exciting RV and camper tour. Thanks for watching.